The Seated Incline Cable Fly is an exercise that focuses on the upper chest muscles. The cable machine provides a constant tension on the chest throughout the full range of motion. Here's how to do it correctly. Set an inclined bench to a 30 to 45 degree angle and position it in the middle of the cable machine with the pulleys set to the lowest position with D handles attached. Sit back on the inclined bench with your feet flat on the floor, then grasp a handle in each hand with a supinated palms facing up grip. Extend your arms with your hands directly above your chest. Begin by slowly lowering your arms out to the sides in a wide arc, maintaining a slight bend in your elbows. Keep your shoulders down and back and your chest lifted. Continue lowering until your arms are parallel to the floor or you feel a comfortable stretch in your chest muscles. Be careful not to overstretch or lower too far, which could strain the shoulders. Exhale and slowly lower the handles together in a wide arc in front of your chest, keeping a slight bend in your elbows throughout the movement to maintain tension on your chest muscles and protect your shoulder joints. Once the handles are nearly touching in front of your chest, squeeze your chest muscles and pause for a second. Inhale and slowly reverse the movement in a controlled manner as you feel a good stretch in your chest muscles. Keep your back flat against the bench and avoid arching your lower back. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.